Yay! The camera's working. I wanted to take a look over at this tree. See, that tree fell. They must have had some storm. That's what one of the bird guys told me. They had a storm over here. And that tree fell in there. I just wanted to come over here and take a look at it real quick. The sun is just too bright to get any kind of video going today, that's for sure. Yeah, the river's up, you know, it's up pretty high because I would just normally just stand over there, but the water's up so high that it's over where the little kind of a boat ramp thing, canoe ramp. Well, it's up a little higher than normal there, so I can't walk out there. Usually I would just go over there and shoot because I don't like to come up here and bother the fishing people, you know. So, but anyway, all right. That was a quickie.